How to retrieve deleted text messages on Android. Retrieving our deleted text messages on Android is a fairly simple process. Now, the most common messaging app on almost all Android devices these days is Google Messages, so I'm simply using Google Messages as a reference. So let me go ahead and then open up Google Messages, and let's say I'll go ahead and then delete a certain message by long pressing on it and tapping the trash icon and tapping on Move to Trash. After you delete your messages, you still have about 30 days, depending upon the phone, to recover your messages. In the case of Google Messages, I can tap on the profile from the top right hand side of the screen, and one of the options that I will find over there is called Trash. So all I have to do is to simply tap on that trash option there, and when you do that, you have that particular messages that you might want to restore, and when you long press on it, select it and tap this restore icon. This bin icon is to permanently delete it, but if there is a restore toggle, you can just tap on this restore toggle and that chat will be restored. This way you can retrieve deleted text messages on Android. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.